like we're at Florida residents.
Woohoo!
What? Right here. It's the old mill. Months in, went from Virginians to Floridians.
Nice.
It happens. We are back in Florida. We are actually sitting in the car at the DMV office trying to get some stuff registered and things and so on. But this episode is actually at the very beginning, the behind the scenes of the process of trying to list, getting the pictures to the potential buyers, and then going through all the interview. I'm not the interview, but kind of video touring.
Yes.
So I'm gonna kind of do a walkthrough tour to show you what their inside looks like, and then point out kind of some of the changes that we made. While we were in Homosassa, Florida, we also took advantage of the sites there.
Yes, I think one thing that we're trying to learn as a family is really to live today like it matters.
Yeah.
Because we could get so caught up in all the nuances of RV life, and doing something as big as swapping a rig. There's crazy.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. I mean, everybody knows life is crazy anyway. RV life can be even sometimes seem more so.
Yeah, and we always have to keep going back to why we're doing this lifestyle, and that's to spend time with our teenagers. Yeah, so in this episode, you're going to see a few of our favorite places that we got to see in Homosassa, and I actually wrote a travel guide for Homosassa and Crystal River. I'm going to post a link in the description below.
No.
All right, so what's happening?
All right, so we've had issue with 50 amp, 30 amp. Well, both of them have open ground over here. They've been trying to check it out. I just saw it the first day we got here. We couldn't use 50 amp because it was blowing. Our surge protector was picking up an open ground. They didn't know, so we were finally able to get it to work on 30. So we've been running on 30 amp, but now the 30 amp is showing open ground. So we're just tired dealing with this. So they found a site. So by, I don't know, on the other side of the street, a couple sides down, we're gonna move the next 2 nights.
Where exactly are we going?
Well, now I can
right there, in between
ease
those
my
two.
curiosity.
Guess you have to figure it out sooner than later.
Woo!
What does it for me?
With the feed the board, about to push the board down because
That's not max.
give me how far, much
Stop.
inches wide I can go.
I mean, you can probably go another inch. Stop.
That's sorta max, but he can go a teeny bit more.
What's it saying?
Right there. That's max.
Yeah, you're maxed out.
All right, then chalk it. We got still a quarter inch, half an inch off. That's all I can do.
I'll have to
You gotta let them ripen a little more.
Where'd you get those?
The orange tree.
Yeah.
They have to ripen.
Oh yeah, they're not nearly ripe enough.
There's really good ones for like up high.
Yeah.
But I've tried like hitting the branch with a stick.
Mm-hmm.
They're on there.
All right, we're trying again.
Try again. Let's see what happens here.
Oh, this pole. So when we got to the other site, we couldn't even use our surge protector on a 50 amp.
Yeah, so we really get 30 amp for it to work a little while, but then it started.
Then it stopped working on a 30 amp.
All right.
See, we're good to go now. RV on.
All right, so we are here at, what's it called?
Monkey Island.
The Monkey Island. Supposedly there's an island of monkeys over
But the
here.
monkeys kept getting escaping, and so they stuck them on the island. They wouldn't get away and cause trouble.
Let's go see what's up.
Oh, kayaking over here would be fun.
Right?
Kayaking to the island.
See the safety cowboy. Make sure you're safe. Wash your hands. Oh, there's a whole bunch of rules. The monkey bar. What?
Do they bring like food to us?
Yeah. Crazy.
No, we be fun.
No dropping things over, huh?
Wait, give me the heebie-jeebies when you do that.
What?
These are the heebie-jeebies at the golf course.
It's pretty up here though.
Really look up and just
What are we waiting on?
our pizza.
Jack,
Our pizza.
what kind of pizza?
Our gator pizza.
Gator pizza.
Gator sausage.
Gator sausage. Ooh.
Wow, that.
Look at that big old engine. Alright, let's check it. Wait, this is Gator
sausage.
Gator sausage pizza.
I want the queen.
Alright. Sitting here. There they are. See them?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can't see them. They're over there. We're looking at manatees over
I
there.
see their big shadows.
He was
coming
doing a
up
hump.
there.
Yeah, that
hump
makes me
thing.
so happy.
So,
What do you think?
come on, pineapple?
That's really good.
Maybe we're gonna see. We saw manatees in the water a little by.
Foul.
We were sitting up there, but we're gonna see. Oh, right, yeah, right in front of us. It's right in front of us.
Yeah, it's right there.
Everybody's freaking out on this moving dock.
What's that one that's doing this?
Yeah, it's a shallow. Dax, don't do that for mom.
Right here.
I know, right? Look at him. See that bird right there? He's eating. I mean, that pelican, he was.
Oh gosh. I think somebody got it.
The what? No, the loons swim underwater. Hey, what do you think, Jack? He's too freezing. He's frozen solid. He's gonna go swimming today. He's like shivering like crazy.
I can see both ends of the beach.
Can you? No. Let's go check it out, Jack. We're gonna go see this place. Wait, what?
I'm not supposed to be.
Here it is, Gulf Coast. And it's not cold at all, Jack. Not one bit.
I see both. So cold.
Is it? Look at you, Jack. You love it. You're freezing, but you're still in the water. Well, then get out of the water. You gotta clear the water, though.
Really bad.
Jack, the water's pretty cool, pretty clear. Protect the manatees. Look at that friendly critter.
Aw, so cute.
Like a
Let's
sea
go
dog.
see some manatees.
Bunch of people walking on this trail. Let's see where this takes us. Where are you going, Vic? You're good.
I wonder if this is water if you're in the
Check it.
and the water comes in.
I'll leave it.
Gross.
Pretty yellow, huh? Woo, that's right. Gross. You're catching a fish.
That
Let me see your catch. Oh, nice catch.
It looks real.
Whoa. There's the alligator.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, they did. What is that?
they won't jump when the video's on.
Yeah, they know the camera's out. Over here, he was going in a. They were going in a row. Is Victor going exploring?
Yeah, he's entering the jungle.
It looks like the jungle. Look at this, people.
What if we put this for a reason?
Watch out for the anaconda.
What?
I don't know. Snakes in the trees?
Oh, there's the,
Oh, there is a I guess we should stay on that, maybe?
probably
We have alligators in here.
Stop!
Wait, we go into the jungle?
Citrus County,
Yes,
Fort
go into
Island
the
Beach,
jungle. Out to
or
the beach.
Fort Island Gulf
Into the
Beach
jungle?
fishing pier.
What's the chances of seeing anaconda and alligator?
No anacondas here.
We are going to. Oh, look at that species. What is that? That's pretty though, huh?
I asked for a nice scanner, got it.
Why?
I was running as coconut out of the tree right by me.
Sweet. This is pretty.
This is gorgeous.
Look at this. This is gonna be gorgeous.
I've already done all of
Yeah. You can check this out when you ever come to Fort. I always forget the name.
Or something. Beach.
Fort something beach.
Oh, let's try.
Wonder where that goes. Yeah, it's cool.
It's like not
Scary.
entirely different. Like, look at this.
Yeah, it's
Because
cool,
we
huh?
don't have these pretty trees in Virginia.
It's unique. Look at that cedar. It's a huge cedar.
That's a cedar one?
We made it back to the beach. Some cool looking trees. Back to where we were.
Like a secret passage.
Right?
Now we'll be back.
Touch our feet in the sand?
Oh my goodness.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is freezing.
Yeah, I was wearing bare feet earlier.
God.
Sand is, I can't feel my toes.
And the kids are out here freezing. It's pretty chilly out here. It's about 60 degrees. I'd say about 60 or so degrees, windy, but it is definitely worth it.
Cold.
Alright, where are we right now?
I don't know.
In the middle of nowhere?
Probably some cave.
James
We are
Cave.
literally off the side of the road
Yeah,
with
this way probably cuts.
all of these people way up there. So apparently this is cave that you walk in here. We're gonna go see. And Jack's hoping to see a snake. He wants to see a
I'm
snake.
gonna go in it.
I think you can crawl
So
down in
we're gonna
there.
go find out and see what we see,
Yeah.
and along with everybody else that's here, which is a popular thing on a Sunday afternoon. Which path to take? Jack wants to take the small path. We're taking the wide path. Doesn't that sound right? Broad is the way. We should be taking the narrow path. There it is. Whoa. Make sure it's legit. Going down. Why? There's plenty of places to step on.
It's actually up there. It's actually a front of the rock. You look at it from down here.
It's pretty neat down here.
Or, excuse me, Victor.
Even right.
This one you just beat.
The whole way talking like, nope, not going down there, not going down
Oh
there.
yeah, you are. Look
Look,
at you.
I'm here.
Pretty cool. I wonder really. Where's the hole? Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, you can crawl right there. It's pretty neat.
It's huge.
There goes Jack.
Yeah.
Nice, bro. What do you think, bro?
There's actually another whole room.
So you going in there or you coming back?
I'm not going because you have to go under. You have to go under and then up.
Here, let me check it out. Let me see how far it is.
There it goes. That's your rump shot.
Look at this. You fit through this teeny hole. I can barely fit. And
Yeah,
it just
there's
goes.
people actually go up there.
It's all the way up there.
All the way back there.
Oh my goodness, it's huge up there.
I'm gonna freak out here.
You wanna go first? Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, Daddy, go.
So there's one of the holes. Goes about 20 some feet down there. And then this one. Let's take another side over here. Ooh,
Is that like, yeah, it's right there.
I think so. There's another table. You gonna make it, Vic?
Are you gonna
Come
go?
in. We'll see where he goes.
You can turn around. It's just big enough that you can stand up and turn around there.
Gotcha. What was you saying?
This is probably better than Dixie Caverns and Natural Bridges Caverns because
Really?
we can
Together?
explore through the holes.
We can also sit down, take breaks, and not worry about them bleeding us.
Supposedly there's another hole over here they're waiting to go take our turn and take a look at and see. So when you're here in the area, what do you consider this area, Homosassa? Something like that. We were near there. Come check this place out. It's pretty cool. It doesn't cost anything. It's just basically a hike, about a half-mile hike in the woods, and then come check out this cool cave thing in the ground. Seems pretty popular, but not too many people here. Not bad, huh? You got a path there, you got a path there, and you got a path there. Which one are you gonna take? No pressure.
It's like a part of me wants to go.
There they go.
But it does get like when you go in,
It gets bigger.
you have to go like slide yourself in.
We went exploring a little bit.
Yeah, we went up the hole. It's so hard to climb up because it's so slippery.
Wow.
So we went up, but then it's like another little lip.
Yeah, you have.
That's cool.
There's no grips. You literally have to like
Just
put
slide.
your hands on the
Spider-Man,
walls
you're
and
like-
like.
So
We
cool.
literally, yeah, we had to do this.
Sweet.
That was fun though.
That's
That was my
legit.
favorite hole yet. Oh yeah.
Free cave
Like,
Let me see this.
exploring for the win.
I'm like in the hole.
it's like
And tell them about the videos that we have up and coming. On Mondays is going to be our story.
Yeah, so we're gonna have, like we have, if you watched our previous season, where we had a lot of the videos coming out the Monday evenings, where we try to have them come out, just kind of about our story. We can still tend to do that, and then add maybe some other stuff coming in with some how-tos and DIYs and other stuff like that. We'll kind of see how it goes.
We're
That's
just
the
going to
plan.
pop those videos on as we have them.
Yeah, as we're bringing them in, and so just be looking out for those. Make sure you like and subscribe and get that bell so that you can get that notification when we do those videos. They're kind of just going to pop on and off, or pop on different times.